quick little video before I leave. I am currently dressed and ready to go to the airport. So I'm about to call an Uber, and all my siblings are ready as well. So I'm tired. It's 3 a.m. But I will keep you guys posted, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm gonna make a complaint.
Guys, we are having breakfast. Look at the nice I got a bagel and hot chocolate.
I'm gonna take you out of bacon on my team.
You don't like bacon?
I do.
But you want to take a picture.
You're not easy.
No, I want it.
I know is ready to grab it up.
Your secret rasta.
On my food.
Your secret rasta man. I see them virgins, they might be a cut. How are your food? You better eat your food.
It's sweet.
So yeah, that's it. You don't know it's sweet.
No, I didn't ask for raw food until they just gave me it. I was going to send them vanilla fruit.
So you don't want that?
I don't know.
I actually can't eat it.
That please give Ella one money so he can start pay for him. No.
Exactly. That's nearly 16 pounds.
I love a cute fancy. You should have got the basic.
In it.
I also got no. I only pancakes and medicine.
That you only trying to
And them potatoes are nice.
How's the breakfast, guys?
It's nice, thank you.
But the egg never solid.
Guys, so we had breakfast and we are just waiting to board our flight. The gate open at 7:05. Yeah. So the breakfast was pretty decent. I had the salmon and salmon bagel, and my brother, they had like they had like the full English breakfast with bacon and stuff, but I don't eat bacon. It's the first time I'm going to Jamaica. So but yeah. Outside. That you can cut. Guys, first stop is a jerk center. We ordered jerk chicken and festival, and we are just waiting. We're number 147, but it's a long way because I think everyone orders from here, like big groups and stuff. This place is in Discovery Bay. It's called Ultimate Jerk Center. So yes. Let's rate this jerk chicken then. I can smell it from out here, so goodly authentic. It's more goodly authentic, it's authentic. What am I talking about? But yeah, let's see how it goes. The jerk chicken and festival. One jerk pork for my father because he's a pork eater, clearly. But yeah. Guys, we decided to drive in a van. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please like and subscribe, and if you are returning, welcome back. So we are in Margaritaville. Yeah, we're in Margaritaville. We went to the beach and we're grabbing something to eat now. This is a full day in Jamaica. We had to go all the way to Montego Bay to grab my brother because we left him there yesterday when we got off from the airport. So yeah, we're just with the family. They're sitting down there. I will keep you guys posted. I don't think, did I do anything? I don't think I did anything. I just been helping everyone just get a hang of themselves and like get everything like sorted, like get data and stuff on their phones. So we've been doing all of that, and then yeah, I think they're a little bit sorted now. We're gonna get groceries today for them, and then yeah. But this is the view. I'm at the beach side, but this is what it looks like. But yeah, so pretty. But I'll see you guys soon.
I see how you mixing designer. My car said $500,000.
I like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 in Jamaica. Can you guys tell I have a tan? Wait, look. Actually not, never mind. Yes, no, maybe not. But how are we? I have been going to the beach, eating, and I need to fly out. But we're going out tonight, and then tomorrow we try to go to Mystic Mountain. So yes, quick little update. Love you guys, and I'll record what I record because sometimes you have to live in the moment.
Yo, batty shot o'clock.
You're always quick to do batty shot o'clock.
There's a place up there for people like you. If you walk around with your heart on your sleeve.
What, that one? What's up, guys? It's my 4th day. I am at the beach. This beach is called the Bay Beach. Sorry. I am tired. I feel so tired. The sun is not even that hot. It's been cloudy and rainy the whole week, but I don't know why I feel so ridiculously tired. But yes, everything been going so good. We went to Robin's Bay Beach yesterday with the family. We just did family stuff, so I didn't really record that much, you know what I mean? Literally just catch up with everyone. We did that, and then yeah, today we're gonna go for a boat ride and stuff. My siblings are in the water, and it's so pretty. You can see. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go on a boat ride, so I'll tag you guys along with me. Bye. Before we go on the beach side, something. Hi. This is does that even mean, Isla? Gang sign.
When you hold me, it keeps me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Yeah.
And it don't change.
If I had you my way,
You would know that you are.
this video is featuring Province Bay Beach in St. Mary. Oh, check the t-shirt out still. And catch the scenery. You want to see the scenery? That Cali is stuck.
Carlos! Rascal.
Yo.
You can't come out there now.
Yo.
Carlos!
Hi guys, I feel like I haven't seen you guys in a moment, but it was honestly raining and it was a bit of family time. But do you guys see my title?
Abby. Oh shit.
Yes.
How's that song go? Me fuck Marie, me no fuck girl, I fuck police.
It is oh, sing it again.
Me fuck Marie.
Just write that in YouTube but it'll come up. Yeah, so we haven't spoken in a minute, but can you tell? Even though it's been raining, it's been really hot. So yeah. Today we're going down river. Everyone confused me, some don't know me, I guess I know some I wrapped up fast, but yeah, we're going down river today and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, because I miss you guys. What? time bestie, and we are at what the place name, Jody?
Spicy octopus.
Spicy Octopus. So we're having dinner because it's her birthday. Our birthday gone, but you know her birthday a few whole month, right? Right. So we're gonna eat dinner and you guys could come along. But look at how pretty the aesthetic is. It is so pretty, but yeah. Hopefully we get some nice picture because Jody blind, so she can't take pictures, but hopefully. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Where you guys going? I don't know, come on. Please stop it, Captain. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Day 100 and something in Jamaica. I'm joking, it's not so long, but guess what we're doing? We are going out tonight, and guess who's coming with me? So yeah, we're going out tonight, and then I'm gonna grab you guys along with me. Yeah, I'm so hot. Boy, this summer in Jamaica is gonna be too hot. But yeah. Oh, my outfit, I have this one. This is
The industry can hate me, fuck them all, and they mama. How many options really got? I mean, everybody wanna buy something. Beat your ass out the Bible, God, watch me round it, come around.
I'm ready. Hi guys, today we're going to Blue Hole. It's these lot's first time, and it's the second to last day. It's the second to last day. Say hi guys.
Bye guys.
Yeah, so we're going Blue Hole, and I don't know if I'm going to take my phone because I don't want it wet up. You can't afford it. You understand?
Good phone call.
Do you guys have a waterproof phone too?
Yeah.
So who's leaving their phone so I can put mine?
Yeah, no.
I'm taking one. You can take it.
What? I want one.
Are you not really taking a picture?
Yes, I am.
I'll send them to you, please.
I swear the camera bad.
Yeah, we have the same camera, so shush.
Thank you, Isla.
What?
So can you come now?
Actually, if you
What
said
phone
that,
Also, my sister in waterproof case, so I'll take you guys along with me. It was hard, but we'll get some snap of blue hole. Quality is gonna be so shit, but it's raining. But I have my life jacket on. So let's go. Everyone's ready. Look. It's so blurry.
My kite is it really shallow?
Oh. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, too. Go on. Oh, come on, tell me.
Okay.
Kai, come on.
Lift up his leg from early.
Back flick, Kai, back flick.
What did he do? Lift up his leg from early?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm the back.
Put your phone on the neck, huh?
Ready. I'm scared now. I'm scared.
Had a time at home. We're home now. We just made it home like 20 minutes ago, or like an hour, I think. And my cousin cooked curry chicken and white rice for us. Right? He's 13, by the way. So hello is bad. But yeah, he's 13. So let's test it out. That made me nervous, you know.
Did you tell him that I make the gravy?
Huh?
You told him that I make the gravy?
This guy's capping. Kai, please stop it capping. You know that song? But anyways, guys, let's get into it. Zavi, why you gonna do it? Go ahead. I want you to see when I'm tasting it. Well, Zavi,
Mama clap.
this tastes good. I will make this. Why you hiding? Come on. The food tastes good for two.
Grab it, we got a fingernail on the chicken. Got a fingernail on the chicken.
It actually tastes nice, guys. The chicken has flavor because he seasoned it from the night before. Actually, he seasoned chicken from the night before.
Yo!
So, it has all the flavors in it.
Yo!
But yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of my food.
Water and
You
rum.
guys have a good Morning, guys. It is hot. It is so hot right now. It is like 31 degrees. It is Tuesday, the 11th of June, and it's time for my siblings are leaving tomorrow, and then yeah. So we went Blue Hole yesterday. Blue Hole was it was fun. I was so tired when I got back. I was so tired when I got back. And everyone else had fun too. So now they're mostly soaking because they're going home, and I still have 1 week. I'm gonna be doing the same. I'm not even gonna lie. You know, even though it's hot, it's just, you know, it's nice. So yeah. Just updating you. Today we're going on the road. We're probably going to the beach, and then after the beach let them get some stuff to bring home. So yes, that's the plan for today, and we'll probably link up with all our siblings because it's the last day having all of us together. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and I will see you guys.
Share vlog.
That's so cool, actually. You can get some for like 3,000.
We do what?
What you buying?
Sharks.
Them joined the line already, you know? Them joined the line already. Guys, I think I spoke to you guys this morning, but we are at the beach. I think this is my last beach. I don't know, maybe. And yeah, it's like in the countryside. So let me show you. We're also cooking. We already went shopping and stuff, so we just up on the beach. About to cook some mackerel and rice. Yeah. And look, can you see from there? You can see the sea from there. And we have a little beach ball, so you know what time it is. You already know what it is. So we'll cook some mackerel and rice and just go and cool up on the beach and all. So you guys could eat a piece of the chitlins and eat. Hi guys. So it's the end of the day basically. It's 6 o'clock. And what is that? Yeah. I just washed off by the spring water, and I'm about to get changed because it's time to go home. Time to send my siblings home. So we're wrapping it up slowly but surely, and then it's gonna be me time. A car is coming, and car people love look on people. Jamaicans. Jamaican. This car is so sensitive. Ay, shut the fuck up. Yeah. So let's get changed, and I'll be back. Last little send off. Do you guys have all 3 burgers? What you do? I pork, no, that doesn't look good, man. That's your pricey. So you know something like you pork, you know, and they might come give it to me. What else, you know? You know, ready, you know? Have a safe flight.
Boom, boom.
Avenue, top 560 in a savage soul.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, ass fat, you eat your rice and your cabbage too. She ain't savage too, I'm a savage too, it's compatible. She was told practice how to cut her home, got a battle. I ain't chicken to the if you my brother, I ain't mad at you. Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the master room. Better in the trenches, we see something different than she tatted too. If she independent, so she bitch is different, and she messy too. Feel my body different when I move, forget it, I'm an animal.
Yeah.
I'm an animal, I get attitude, I'm an animal, like an animal.
So I dropped the KFC off to my siblings. That's where we was at, and send them off. They're probably at the airport by now. So now I take my auntie out for dinner. We're at Ocean 11. You want to see Khalil? Khalil is here as well. Dog get trouble at school today, as usual. How you feel about yourself?
Good.
And then my auntie over there, because she said me never put her in a camera yet.
Hi, everyone.
Yes. So I ordered steamed fish. Khalil ordered. What you order, Khalil?
Fries and
Mac and cheese. He doesn't really eat. That's why Breeze are gonna blow him away. And my auntie ordered shrimp. Because she loves shrimp. Last year I come, what day I come, a shrimp she ordered. I don't know what I'm touring shrimp. But yeah. Welcome. Alright, so it's not night time and I'm getting dressed to go out with my friends. But just ready, I'm just going to this week because we know makeup or something. We try to do things from time to time. But anyway, I'm ready for the fan because it's hot. Jamaica hot here. But yeah. So we're going to face one more time. And then start getting this up on the face, guys. You know what you're say? We're going to Hold on. Let's blend this up, guys. Guys, so We reach outside. Me and Chin there. Chin, pick up yourself in our back. Big up. Like camera. But we ordered seafood boil and it's here. So we're going to dig in and see how it tastes. It's good, Gary. It's good. Katie, and make sure you take a can of cash. You know what? They don't carry need that. But, come on. We can taste the flavor in the sweet pan already. And you're not going to get it? That's probably
One chip's done.
where place them, Chin?
Solo seafood.
This is called Solo's Seafood Palace. Our place. Solo's place. In Paji, Port Mario. So, you guys need to visit. You guys definitely need to visit. Let's try the sweet shrimp. Come on. Right, we're gonna eat. The beach is the cheapest over there. We're gonna eat and but yeah, we ordered fish. She ordered fried fish and I ordered steamed fish with coconut juice and bami. Yeah, something like that. But when it comes out, I'll show you guys. And I'm pretty excited because I never done my order yesterday. I ordered the seafood boil. That was nice too, but let's see how the fish will come out. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so I am on my way to Kingston. I stopped at Starbucks. I am trying the caramel frappuccino. Starbucks in Jamaica, first time trying it. So, I got that because my email from morning and I'm hungry, it hurt me. I wanted to order a bagel as well, but them can't remove the bacon from it. I won't be able to try that. I don't eat bacon. Frappe will come. I just ordered a caramel frappe with coconut milk. So let's see how it is. Yes. Thank you. You need this? No? Thank you. Thank you. So let's try it on spot. See if it tastes like the UK one. gotta eat first.
But I'm never have nothing to eat.
I'm not doing coffee but I'm hungry really. I'm $1,000 for it, you know. Hi guys, so we have made it to Kingston. My cousin picked me up and we are at a bar called Cruise Bar, something like that. But we're gonna have lunch. I'm hungry. Come and barely eat from mine, so I only had like Starbucks. But yes, we're gonna eat and I'll see you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Guys, so we got chicken wings, half and half. Our drinks is finished. Yeah. But that's what it looks like. And we're going to dig in, so I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Hi guys, so the food was so good. The wings, we had barbecue wings and we had fried wings. I prefer the fried wings, they were so good. And the fries and the drink was refreshing. I had lemonade, so did my cousin. We both had the same thing. Yeah, so we had lunch and now I'm in Beverly Hills just waiting for Kira, big up yourself, Kira. Wait for my little sister. So yeah, we're going to Clarendon. It's hot as hell, but I love it. But yeah, I think I do actually. Yes. It's 7 p.m. on what? Friday. Something on there. Me and Kira don't have no niggas. Yeah. We ain't got no niggas and the niggas ain't got we. Alright, that's what. We got our big driver. Hey. Guys, we got a puppy. What are you gonna name it?
No idea. Just to say the name.
It's actually cute.
Yeah, I want to see mommy black and fluffy.
Where the go from so far? This is too much for me, guys. It's actually too much. So we are in Clarendon. Me and Kira just pick up our new family member. Right? How that you me? A new member of the family. We have Bullet and we have Hot Fudge. Is that the original name now?
I don't know.
Hopefully Cool can name him Trigger. Yeah, one name Bullet and one name Trigger. I'm joking. I don't know, but it's cute though. They can name it Frisky. Or Phoenix Junior. It's cute though, isn't it? You know what? We could have deal with one. It grow bigger than this. If it grow bigger than this, I don't want it.
I think it's supposed to be like Phoenix size.
But anyways,
because the mother I like Phoenix size.
Yeah, new member of the family, you guys. I kind of like this one. Nah, lie. Them dirty though. You don't want to pan in a mud. Whisper the oath again.
Oh, you want to go then?
Yeah. Always say it bush. Kareem, if you ever see this video, put up yourself. Here they laugh.
What you could do with that?
I'm putting it in my YouTube video. Hello, if you're PP, make me know, you know. Shut up. Are you gonna use the pan? Nope. Hurry up and drive to, you know.
Stop talking over it.
dog or a teddy bear. You just a watch road, so. First me old dog so come. As we are sitting here, I am back from Clarendon. I had a good weekend in Clarendon with Kira and everyone and my godson and the family. It was a nice little, chilled weekend. Yeah. So now I'm back in St. Mary and I am leaving tomorrow. So this is kind of a conclusion video to sum up the little, trip, the big trip, because I've been here for 3 weeks. I'm not lying. I've been here for 3 weeks, so it's time to get myself back to work. I'm not gonna cry, but I don't expect to survive if I'm not work. So yeah, I'm gonna but stressed out now. I'm joking, I'm not so bad like how I was back in the day. When I was leaving Jamaica, I was so sad, like, bro, it was just too much. But do you see the nice view? I literally walked from like 10 minutes up the road from where my auntie lives, and then I'm here, and I also bought lunch. I came for a jog, but I buy lunch. Big back activities. Anyway. Let me mash it up. I'm gonna bring one little mango. This is a Julie mango, by the way. I'm just gonna get eat up. Why not? So yeah, I feel so relaxed. Am I ready to go home? I would say I don't have a child. We don't have a choice, but you're never ready to leave your home away from home. You're never ready to leave, especially with this nice weather. It's ridiculously hot out here, I'm not lie, but you feel awake. You wake up bright and early and you just know, say, let's get the day started. The day feels so much longer. Honestly, today I should have buy fruits, but make a buy fruits when I'll go up. And yeah, yes, so I'll go home tomorrow, and I must say, as per usual, this trip was amazing. It was needed. Yeah, and I don't know when am I coming back yet, but probably not this year. I want to go somewhere else. I want to go somewhere else, and I came to Jamaica twice already, so I don't know yet. I don't feel like I come back this year though, for sure. But you might never know what could possibly happen. I'm there for sure, so let's never say never. But guys, look at the beach. Guys, also I realized something after I took up myself. I thought I was a big swimmer, right? No, I never think I'm a big swimmer, I know I'm a big swimmer, but like, I know some coward and beer things, but I know some can do my thing. No, please tell me why we go in the water the other day, and I could feel about time. I just start panic, like, girl, does that even make sense? That don't even make no sense. But yeah. I'm back to telling myself that I can't swim. I can't swim. I don't like that. And I didn't visit Salt River this time because I'm not find crocodile along there. Well, we was going to go, but we never really upped it like that. So I didn't mind literally just staying at home. Me and Kira though. Sierra though. What did we do that day? OMG, we got a new puppy and the puppy went missing. So that looks for puppy like one good hour. And then you know, we eat mango, we laugh. Cause mango there Jamaica, no, a mango time. So yeah. So what happened to Julie over here? But I need to get some last little bits before I go. I need to get some last little bits, like some snacks and stuff. So I will go get Guys, so we met some friends at the beach. Them younger than me still, but you know them cool and everything. Them almost getting in trouble because them both them want to swim and a test time. But yeah, so she's right there. Where name? You not even tell me your name. Huh?
Mia.
Mia. Oh, that's a nice name actually. But yeah, them come from school. It's test time in Jamaica. This one went into the sea water. She braver than me because at her age, I would have never. My mother would have killed me with lick. Basically, she rough.
Because we can't leave the yard and we get one look at opportunity to make you say.
Yeah,
I guess
makes sense. Yeah, but them outside still, me rate them still, them brave bad. And I have Jody she. Jody, my other two. So we're gonna wrap it up. never come in. Jody eat me like crazy, but she in a vlog. Anyway, she take it. Jody, where we by?
Really like we just feel the vibe, we just big up yourself every time.
You too. Thank you.
Really like we just feel the vibe, we just big up yourself every time.
You too. Thank you.